restaurants before we stop by Gtr. Got a brown sugar, a watermelon, and a pandan. We're headed to the shop now, and let's see what them boys are up to and see what I can do to help on the car. I don't know if it'll be much help, but you can always try. All right, guys, we are getting to Gtr Motorsports, and let's see what these guys are up to. I wonder if it's still in the trailer or if they pushed it out and we can like kind of see the progress of everything. Oh, here's the parking lot. Here's the collection of cars they have today on this Saturday morning. Some Supras, GTRs, Porsche there, 370Z. Oh my gosh, look at this. This is an R33. Can y'all see that? Right-hand drive. Comment below, what's your favorite car here? Hi.
Hello.
Dang, this shop is busy. Lambo, R8, so much stuff going on at Gtr Motorsports. What you doing?
Opening a package.
Package for me?
If you want.
Is that titanium?
Yeah.
Ooh, look at me knowing my lingo. We're gonna check out the car. Let's see. Ta-da! Oh my gosh. There it is, guys. Back from the car show. They took it out the trailer. That looks pretty cool. But again, there's nothing in it. Seth, what are we doing with the car today?
I start building the motor.
Ooh! We're gonna start building the motor, is what he said.
Hello, hello
Luke.
YouTube. Okay, ready?
This is Luke.
Hey guys.
Today we're doing, hey guys. See, everybody says it. It's
Hey
not
guys.
it's not-
Today on YouTube, we're building an engine.
See, it's not just me. Everybody says it. Is this it? Oh my gosh, guys. Brand new. Hey guys. We are here with the LunaTik short block. We're getting it together today. 5 thousandths when you see that dial. So first, we're gonna be sizing the bearings and then cutting the rings, and I'll show you how to do that. And then after that, we're gonna install the pistons and rods into the short block. So let's get started. Okay guys, we're cutting the rings, and so you gotta turn this on. So we wanna cut off about 5 thousandths, because it's about 5 thousandths too big, too small. So we're opening up the gap so that way it could fit properly. And to do that, you have to use this little contraption and adjust it every time by 5 thousandths when you see that dial. So you just kind of slowly keep grinding it until it hits that 5 thousandths mark right here. Almost there. All right, I'm almost there. So it's kind of a tedious process to make sure that you're getting it at the right, proper spot, or it won't work or fit properly. So now that we cut that ring, I'm gonna test fit it to make sure we got the desired gap, because it has to be perfect. And then we could continue cutting the rest. So I'm just gonna kind of shimmy it in here. And then Seth actually 3D printed this tool. Woo! And it kind of pushes it down in there, perfect. And then this is our special ruler, where you want to make sure it stops here but doesn't pass this. So now I'm checking that, and it's perfect. So good job. We're going to continue cutting the rest. These have to fit perfect, because if it's too tight, it will cause it to seize when it expands and end up damaging the cylinders. On the flip side, if it's too loose, it will cause excessive crankcase pressure. So it has to be perfect, not almost perfect, absolutely perfect. So we just got the piston ring, and now let's test it out to make sure it's perfect, because we want perfection. Put this thing, get this little ruler,
Not a ruler.
It's my ruler. It's my piston ruler. And it fits perfect. Yay! 4th down, 2 to go. Last one. Okay, they're all checked out. Looks good. Now let's move on to putting the actual pistons in. So what's happening, guys? We're putting the piston in now. So with the YouTube magic and Seth and everything, we got this all put together. Now we're about to put it in to the block, okay? So you just kind of do that. And there's an arrow here pointing it in the right direction. Set it in there, and you just kind of tap, 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 tap. And then you tap it in, go in so you can see. And it should fall in nicely. Tick! Ta-da! 1 done. 5 to go. -1. 5. 5 to go. We're putting the rod caps on, and then you put this red stuff all over here. Oh my gosh, it looks like Halloween blood. Okay. Halloween blood, put that in, and then you put this in, screw in these rod caps. I have my little tool here. Wait, let me just tighten it first. And then we're gonna torque it down, and it's gonna be torqued down into increments. So we're gonna start off with 25 torque. It's set to 25 right now. So let's torque that in. So when it beeps, that means it went to the appropriate torque. Okay, and then now we're gonna raise it up to 50. You wanna do it in increments so it can get seated evenly. Ooh, beep, beep. Next one. Okay, and then now to 75. 4, 5. This is a really cool tool. This is getting more tough. I'm really putting muscle into it.
All right.
It's heavy. I did one. I gotta call in the big guns. Dang, that looked like it was effortless for you. I'm not gonna pretend I'm building this by myself. Like literally, I need the muscle. It's hard, right? Look, it's so hard. Okay, that's what it is. Got it all tightened up, but we got the piston in. So we got all the pistons installed with the help of Seth, and we're just gonna rotate it around. I'm rotating it for y'all, and you can see, you see the up and down? So that means we did it correctly. It's pretty cool, see? So that's what the car does. Yeah, the more you know. So the sharp block is complete. And now we have to put the ported heads on, and we will be doing that on the next episode. So stay tuned. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye. So it's very critical for if it's too tight, the heat will expand. I can do it. Wait, it'll loosen the crankcase cylinder? Excessive crankcase pressure. If the gap is too tight, will cause it to seize and expand, and gosh, that's so much to know. I don't want to say that. And then if it's still, I said it.